Here's what you need to know about the difference between the DJI Pocket 3 and the Xtra Muse. Currently, there's about a $250 to $300 difference between the Pocket 3 and the Muse. And that's just with the basic kit. It looks like everything in the box is pretty much the same, except that the Pocket 3 has a hard shell case that protects the gimbal when it's not in use. Also, keep in mind that if you have other accessories for the Pocket 3, like a USB-C battery handle, they will work with the Xtra Muse. The Pocket 3 has a 1-year warranty, whereas the Muse has a 2-year warranty. The Pocket 3 requires you to log into your DJI account before you record any videos, whereas on the Muse, you can take it right out of the box, put an SD card in, and start recording. No need to sign up for an account, no login necessary. I even downloaded the Xtra app, connected my phone to the Muse. I'm not logged in, and I hope they never require me to log in if I don't want to. The physical appearance between the two cameras is slightly different, and I do have to say that the Xtra feels a little less premium. The only real functional physical difference is that the Pocket 3 has a raised lip on the corner, making it easier to rotate the screen, whereas on the Muse, the screen is perfectly flat on all corners. If you want to connect a wireless microphone on the Pocket 3, there is a built-in option for Bluetooth connectivity, but currently, as of mid-October 2025, there is no option to connect a wireless mic directly to the Muse via Bluetooth. The only way to do it is to plug a USB receiver into the Muse. So those are pretty much the only differences that I've noticed so far. The menu system seems to be the same, minus the wireless mic option. Things are in different places, but it seems like all the features are the same. And if you want to compare the footage, I'll show some side-by-side clips with the settings on screen so that you can see what the difference is for yourself. I also recorded in a flat profile, D-Log-M on the Pocket 3 and X-Log on the Muse, and I applied the provided LUTs from each respective company. So I was trying to stay unbiased, but seeing the footage side by side, I have to say that they look identical to me. So if you're in the market for a Pocket 3 and you don't mind not having the Bluetooth mic option, the Xtra Muse is every bit as good, and maybe even better if you don't want to log in and create an account. We use the Pocket 3 on pretty much every video that you've seen on this channel for the past year and a half. So it's become one of our favorite tools in our kit. We're really glad that the Xtra Muse has filled the shoes of the Pocket 3 in the US, the land of the free, until we're not free and the government tells us what we can and cannot buy. Anyway, thanks for watching Ready Set Drone. See you next time.